G'day guys, so today we are changing the air filter on the Nissan X-Trail. It's very simple actually, so only got two places here where we need to pull off, and then once that comes off, like this, and from here as well, and that's it. There you go, and this thing comes out like this, so just keep it right there, and look at the air filter. So as you can see, this one is pretty dirty. Yeah, so I just got a brand new one. I'm just gonna put that in and we are done. So here we have the new one and the old one. Just to remember, this thing pops off, so just make sure you take this one off, so that now this one you can chuck it in the bin, and this new one goes in, and that's it, we're done. Before I put this one in, I just wanted to show you one thing. This Sakura one has this metal frame around the housing, and whereas the old one, I think, looks like some Nissan OEM. This one does not have the metal housing. So in this way, this is all chucked in. Yep, let's put this one in back. Alright, now this one goes in, so remember to put this side down and this side up, and it might be a bit finicky because it's brand new. Yep, that's how it is. There we go, it's all tucked in now. Okay, so this way in. Just a reminder, you might need to use both of your hands, because now this one is new and the rubber housing is also very firm, so just want to make sure you push this one in, and then with both the hands apply some pressure on top, and then this one should fit in. With single hand it will be hard to apply the pressure evenly. Let's try like this. Okay, and yep, there we go, it's now in. Make sure it's nicely secured. Yep, that's it, job is done.